tips that will help you create thought-provoking Quora answers. Building your reputation as an authority and raising brand awareness by distributing your content on Quora is great, but there are a few other things you can learn to go the extra mile. The following tips we'll give you here will help you to boost your chances of going viral or landing a sweet mention on a bigger site. Take up space. The first rule of a thought-provoking Quora answer is that it has to take up plenty of space. Be bold and disrupt the Quora user experience in a positive way by creating answers that don't leave much spare room for others to contribute. To apply this strategy effectively, you have to make an effort to always respond first or second. Follow up by composing a long-form answer divided into a minimum of 3 paragraphs. Apply the formatting rules we discussed in the previous lesson so the text in your answer stands out. This will cause the reader to interpret your answer as the best answer to the question you're replying to. It will make the reader analyze your perspective and to make decisions based on your content. Answer off-topic questions that are difficult to respond to. We are sure that you know a lot about certain topics that are off-limits to your niche, but they're a great opportunity to build a genuine connection with certain members of your audience. For example, if you know Spanish or are a native Spanish speaker, or you know any other language, you will find that a lot of your followers are asking questions about it. You will also notice that a lot of the time these questions go unanswered because they're difficult to answer, and the people who know the answers don't use Quora. These are great opportunities to jump in and provide a thoughtful answer to these questions, using the same expert voice you use when responding to questions in your niche. This will cause people to also see you as an expert in a different field, and will start sending questions directly to you. This has the effect of increasing your ranking and exposing you to an even larger audience. Reply to misinformed answers. Just like any other social platform, Quora is full of users spreading misinformation for marketing, political, and financial gains. You can be proactive in combating misinformation by identifying misinforming answers and replying to them with facts. Use the exact same format you use when you reply to questions, and you'll see how people upvote your answer until it gets the top rank. A good strategy is to defend the position of bigger or more popular competitors in your niche, using your own expert voice. This will help you expose your brand to the audience of those competitors without you having to promote yourself. Add value to top answers. You can check the top answer on top-performing questions to see if there's something of value that you can add to it. To see if the answer is missing content that can get you an upvote from the author of the answer and from the rest of the users. Use the opposite format strategy. There is a little-known strategy that you can use to interrupt answer patterns in a question that we call the opposite format. Many marketers we know of have kept it a secret because it works great, but you have to be careful to use it only when appropriate. It is as simple as it is brilliant, and it goes like this. Use the opposite format of all the other answers only when those answers are using an elaborate format. For example, if all the other answers are using the long-form blog-style format, you compose a single paragraph answer with bold and italics in the middle. Or you compose a list article-style answer with numbered entries. Whichever format that interrupts the pattern of replies will work. Target product-aware users. Product-aware users are those users that are in the final stages of a funnel. Users that are ready to buy, but that need to make the final decision about which product to buy. You'll usually find product-aware users asking about what difference it makes to buy a product that is pricier than another, asking about whether it is worth buying a product with certain features, or asking the differences between the same product from different companies. Reach out to these users with a comprehensive answer. Give them your full point of view, and help them make their final decision. And that is it, friends. Apply these strategies and you can go viral, get upvoted, appear in the first page of search results, and become most viewed writer in your categories.